Hello, student. Here now we will going to start this first lesson, that is the Indian subcontinent and history. The Indian subcontinent uh, contains the nowadays Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Myanmar. These whole area of this nation contains the Indian subcontinent. So it is a very large area with dense of population and having a uh, variety of community behaviors um, and many differential lifestyle of these people from area to area, like in the desert. This subcontinent contains the Himalaya regions, there is the mountain regions, desert area like Rajasthan, plain area like Ganga, and plateau area where has a sea from three side, that is the coastal area, and the lifestyle of the people varies from area to area. Okay, as human being develop a different culture uh, and way of behavior uh, due to these landforms and atmosphere, varies atmosphere. So it shows, the here is the picture that have a very much different style from each other. That the first picture uh, of a house is of a plain area where the farming is a main business. So we can look at this picture, the first picture that have a double floor with a sliding uh, roof, and they have uh, pet animals like cow for the farming purpose. Below that we have another picture of a house which is of Warli tribes uh, in Maharashtra. They have a different lifestyle according to their situation, and this is one of the constructed man-made constructed house in Kerala. This type of houses are found in Kerala at the coastal region. Mm. So, as this structure of houses differentiate, the mm, clothing also differentiate from each other. Basically, the diet, clothing, housing, occupations, all this human life is totally depend upon their geographical condition where they situated. So the people who lived in the hilly region are more strenuous than the people uh, on the plains. The not much fertile land is available in the hilly region, while in the plains it is available on a large scale. That is why the grains and vegetables are scarce at hilly areas, while it is available in a plenty at the plain areas. This type In this way, the geographical conditions affect the human life. The mountain areas people are dependent more on hunting and gathering for their food. We also find that the such other differences in the lifestyle of the people of hilly region and plains are, and the people who live on the plains. The climate, rainfall, agricultural produce, flora and fauna of the region where we live are the sources of our livelihood, lifestyle and culture, languages and way of behavior also develop uh, from this geographical condition. Uh, sometimes Sometimes peoples are forced to leave their settlements, villages and towns become deserted. We see many such instances in a history. Thus, we see that there is a very close relations between the history and geography. The as far the India is extend far and wide, it's uh, the whole geographical area of India also varies from area to area. India as a nation contains the mountain area of Himalaya, plain area of Ganga, and coastal area at the Deccan Plateau, while it has also in islands like Andaman, Nicobar, and Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep. So, uh, this type of different differentiation we are carried out in some points. That is, the first point is the Himalaya, second is the plain of Sindhu, Ganga, and Brahmaputra river, third is the Thar desert in Rajasthan, fourth is the Deccan Plateau, the plains that contains uh, Vindhya mountains, Satpura ranges, the coastal region at the three side of the Deccan Plateau, the island in the seas like Andaman, Nicobar, and Lakshadweep. So here we saw a picture of a Khyber Pass. This Khyber Pass has its own importance in the history because through this Khyber Pass many of invaders come from Iran, Turkestan, um, So the history of India is affected due to these Khyber Pass. Uh, here is the another picture. Here is the another picture of mountains, that is Himalaya. We saw a downward at the downside. At the downside, it has a green area. It has a green dense forest, uh, while upside it has ice. Whole mountain is covered by ice. So there here we saw the different types of geographical condition in this picture. So first is Himalaya. Himalaya has one of the oldest and widest and long mountain ranges. Basically, it has 3 to 4 Himalayan ranges. That is the Karakoram range, Himadri, South Himalaya ranges. Such ranges varies and develop a very different lifestyle in that mountain area. So the Hindu Kush and Himalaya ranges have created an impenetrable wall on the north side of the Indian subcontinent. This wall has separated Indian subcontinent from the desert central area. However, there is a land route through the Khyber and Bolan passes in the Hindu Kush mountains. This route was connected to an ancient trade route. The trade route from China passes through the Central Asia, reaches Arabia, is known as a Silk Route or a Silk Road because silk was the main commodity exported to the western countries using this road. And route through the passes was used by many foreign invaders to enter ancient India. Many foreign travelers also came to India by this route. This is the picture of Khyber Pass. Secondly, the plains of Sindhu, Ganga and Brahmaputra. The region consists of the basin of three big rivers, that is Sindhu, Ganga and Brahmaputra and their tributaries. This region extends from uh, Punjab in the west to the present days Sindh and Punjab in the west to present days Bangladesh in the east. It was in this region that the earliest Indian civilization of Harappa and later state and empires of ancient India emerged. So, student, the geography of India, Indian subcontinent varies uh, from area to area, and this geographical condition also affect the history of India, like a Khyber and Bolan passes. Through this passes, many invaders come to conquer India, while Indian civilization develops in the plains like in Sindh, Ganga, and Brahmaputra, and Himalayas mountain region develops the flora and fauna, medicinal plant which uh, affect the uh, I, it gives a birth to the Ayurveda in Indian culture, from where the many medicinal herbs, are used for the medical purpose. So, student, we start this first lesson. First lesson. If you found any difficulty, then send me message on my personal number. Okay. So for the first lecture, we will stop here by this introduction to the of the lesson. Now onwards, we will going to deep studying of the different points of this lesson, that is the Thar Desert, coastal region, Indian Plateau, Deccan Plateau, etc. Okay, so we will stop here in this lecture. Okay.